Hi, Ben with Heirloom Roses here. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about watering roses that you're growing in containers. This is an Earth Angel rose. It's 2 years old, and since it's in a container, we're only going to use liquid fertilizer on it. We use liquid fertilizer on plants that we're growing in containers because granular fertilizer can just be way too hot. The salts will over time build up in the soil and really make that soil toxic, and the rose, or any plant for that matter, will have a hard time. With a liquid fertilizer, when you water, it will eventually drain on through. And if it starts to get a little hot, you can actually just water with fresh water and it will really flush out the fertilizers in that soil. So we really like a fish fertilizer. Our Founder's Fish is a whole fish fertilizer, meaning it's a concentrate with the fish oils and the whole fish right in the fertilizer. And in a potted container like this, we think it's a great solution. I would say a rose like this in a container should be watered about 2 inches, 2-3 times a week in hot weather, maybe more. And about once a month with a fish fertilizer, and your rose will really be strong and growing well. So we're just gonna go ahead and water it in. You'll see there's some other plants there at the base. Those aren't weeds. That's actually some companion plants that I put at the base. That's a juga, and it grows in, fills around the rose, and trails over the side. So all of this is really good to go. For more information on growing roses in containers and to find beautiful roses for your garden, visit us at heirloomroses.com.